Saturday, Sinki Look.
Yes.
Sunday, Lay Bakyat. Lay Bakyat.
Yeah. Okay. Next one.
Months.
Yeah.
January, Yat Yot.
Yeah.
February, Ye Yot.
Yi
Ye Yot.
Yeah.
March, Sam Yot.
Yeah.
April, Yot.
Say Yut.
Say Yot. April.
Yeah.
May, Yot.
Yeah.
April, May. June, Look Yot.
Yeah.
July, Chat Yot.
Yeah.
July, August, Bat Batyot. Batyot.
Yeah.
August, September, Gawyot.
Yeah.
October, Sapyot.
Yeah.
November, Sapyeyot.
Sub Yat Yut.
Sapyatyot.
Yeah.
Sapyatyot.
Yeah.
December, Sapyeyot.
Yeah.
Past, present, future, sir.
Yeah.
Before, Jechen.
Jichin.
After, Jichin.
Yeah.
After, How.
Yeah.
A while ago, thousand.
Yeah.
Now, Yiga. Yiga.
Yeah.
Later, Chidi.
Chidi.
In a short, Chidi.
Yeah.
In a short while, Yatchaw.
Yatchan.
Ayatchan.
Okay.
In pala.
Sam Yut. What is that?
Sir?
Sam Yut.
March.
Jichin.
Before.
Luk Yut.
Look cute. June.
Yiga.
Sir?
Yiga.
Now.
Cẩu Yut.
Gawyot. September.
Yatchan.
Yatchan. In a short while.
Yat Yut.
Yatyot. January.
Chidi.
Chidi. Later.
Sub Yi Yut.
Sapyot. December.
Thầu Xin.
Thousand. A while ago.
Okay, next page.
BO9, sir.
Yes.
Soon. Chow Fai.
Yes.
Day before yesterday. Chenyat.
Chum.
Yesterday. Chinyat.
Day before yesterday. Chin Yat.
Before yesterday. Chinyat.
Yeah.
Yesterday. Kamyat or Chamyat.
Chum
Kamyat or
yeah.
Chamyat.
Yeah.
Today. Gamyat.
Yeah.
Tomorrow. Tingyat.
Yeah.
Day after tomorrow. Hawyat.
Yeah.
Yesterday morning. Kamyat Jojo.
Căm
Jojo. Kamyat Jojo.
Yeah.
This morning. Gamyat Jojo.
Yeah.
Or Gam Jojo.
Yeah.
Or Gamjo.
Yeah.
Tomorrow morning. Ting Yat Jojo.
Yeah.
Or Ting Jojo or
Yeah.
Ting Jo.
Yeah.
Yesterday afternoon. Come Yat and Joe.
Yeah.
This afternoon. Lay Go and Joe.
Yeah.
Tomorrow afternoon. Ting Yat and Joe.
Yeah.
Last night. Come Man or Cham Man.
Yeah.
Tonight. Gam Man or Gamman.
Yeah.
Gamman.
Yeah.
Tomorrow night. Ting Man or Ting Man.
Yeah.
Last week. Chongo Singkai. Singkay.
Yeah.
Or Chongo Laybay.
Yeah.
Or last month. Chongo Yat. Last month.
上個
Last
月
year. Chongo Yut.
上個月
Chongo Yut.
Yeah.
Last year. Chonglen. Lin. This week.
Last year 上年
Chonglin.
Yeah.
Last year. This week. Gam Go Sengkai.
Yeah.
Or Gam Go Laybay.
Yeah.
This month. Gam Go Yut.
Yeah.
This year. Gam Len.
Yeah.
Next week. Bago Singkai.
下個星期
Or Hago Singkay. Or Hago Laybay.
Yeah.
Next month. Hago Yut.
Yeah.
Next year. Halen.
Yeah.
Seasons. Spring.
Yeah.
Chongao or Chonchen.
春季
Chonja.
或者春天
Kwai. Chonkwai or Chontin.
Yeah.
Summer. Hakwai or Hatin.
Yeah.
Autumn. Saugwai or Chautin.
秋
Tin
季 or 秋天
Chaugwai or Chautin.
Yeah.
Winter. Dangwai or Dangtin.
Yeah. Okay. 今日 What is that?
Today.
春季
Chonkwai.
春季
Autumn.
Yes. 今朝早
Jojo. Okay, sir?
今朝早
Jojo. Tomorrow morning.
No 今朝早 This morning
It's morning. Jojo. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, sir.
秋天
Autumn.
今晚
Come on. Tonight.
夏天
Summer.
上個月
Cinco yun, sir?
上個月
Cinco yun.
上個月 Last month
Last month. Cinco yun. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
夏季 夏季
Summer. Summer, sir.
下年
Halin.
下年
Next year.
呢個晏晝
Ligo. This afternoon.
Okay, next page.
Conversation. What time is it now? Yega jedem.
Yeah.
Now is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Yegan andaw samdem.
Yeah.
What is the day today? Gamyat haije yut je ho.
今日係幾月幾號？
Gamyat haije yut ge ho.
幾月幾號
Ge yut ge ho.
Yeah.
Today is September 12. Gamyat haigaw yut samje ho.
12號
Sapye ho.
Yeah.
Tomorrow is... what is tomorrow? Ting yat lay.
聽日呢
Ting yat le.
Yeah.
Tomorrow is... Lang. Ting yat hai.
Yes.
What day is it today? Gamyat hai sing kg.
今日係星期幾
Gamyat hai sing kg.
Yeah.
Today is Wednesday. Gamyat hai sing kay sam.
Yeah.
8 o'clock in the morning. Joe but them.
Yeah.
Friday afternoon. Sing kay and Joe.
Yeah.
Joe.
晏晝
Joe.
Okay.
Sing kay and Joe.
今日係星期幾 嚇
What day is today? What is it?
你個名
What day is it today?
Yeah. 今日係幾月幾號？坐先。
What is the date today?
星期五晏晝
Friday afternoon.
Okay. Ade, so we finished now. You are very good and hard studying.
Thank you, sir.
I'm proud
Very
of
hot
you.
here.
And then while I'm talking to you, I send B03 and then B12 to B16. So to your email already. So no more.
Okay.
So you can study the new one, and then next Wednesday lah. Next Wednesday 1 o'clock, and then you go online and chat with me.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So you are very good, huh?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Nice day, sir. Bye.